Convert, transpose, dataframe lists to columns. I have a pandas dataframe that has a list of values inside a cell. I need to convert these values into columns containing true or false if the column value is inside the list for that row. I need a column for every unique value inside every row's list. This is my dataframe. To create the intel dataframe. Then I tried. And it outputs this. But it's not what I want because the columns are not aligned. I need something like this.
You can clean up, modify your data if you do not like to import from Sklern. Preprocessing import multi-label binarizer for this. Output. From Sklern multi-label binarizer.
Another solution, just using pandas. Output.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.